Sceptre monitors have a frustrating problem that many users encounter. They sometimes refuse to wake up from sleep mode, leaving you staring at a black screen. This issue has become increasingly common with the rise of remote work and multiple monitor setups, affecting productivity and causing daily frustration. To understand this problem, we need to know about DPMS, Display Power Management Signaling. This is the industry standard that Sceptre monitors use to communicate their power states. Sceptre monitors can enter different sleep states. Light sleep allows quick wake up, but deep sleep mode often requires manual intervention to wake the monitor. Several factors can cause these wake-up failures. The most common include power management conflicts, cable connection issues, outdated graphics drivers, and monitor firmware problems. Cable connections are particularly important. Loose or incompatible HDMI and DisplayPort cables can prevent proper signal transmission, causing the monitor to remain in sleep mode. Windows power management settings often conflict with Sceptre's sleep protocols. The operating system may prevent the monitor from receiving proper wake-up signals, especially in complex multi-monitor configurations. Understanding how monitors detect signals is key to solving these issues. Sceptre monitors wait for an active video signal before waking from sleep state, but sometimes this detection process fails due to timing or compatibility issues. When your Sceptre monitor won't wake from sleep mode, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Start with the most basic solution, power cycling. Unplug your monitor completely for 30 seconds, then reconnect the power. This clears any temporary glitches in the monitor's internal systems. Next, verify all cable connections. Check that HDMI or DisplayPort cables are firmly seated in both the monitor and computer. Try different cables if available, and test alternate input ports on your monitor. Use your monitor's physical buttons to cycle through all available input sources. This helps the monitor detect and lock onto the active video signal from your computer. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of sleep mode issues. Update your AMD or NVIDIA drivers to the latest version. Modern drivers include improved power management and display compatibility fixes. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try these advanced solutions that address deeper, system-level conflicts. Modify Windows power management settings. Disable USB Selective Suspend in the registry, create a custom power profile, and adjust display timeout settings to prevent conflicts with your monitor's sleep behavior. As a last resort, check Sceptre's website for firmware updates for your specific monitor model. Firmware updates can resolve deep-seated compatibility issues, but should only be attempted if other solutions fail, as they carry some risk. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps should resolve most Sceptre monitor sleep mode issues. Start with basic solutions and progress to advanced methods only if needed.